So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to change dynamic light during notification. So guys, if you want to change your dynamic light during the notification, so guys, here you simply go to the option of settings. Okay, in the settings section guys, go to the option of, here you go to the option of dynamic effects. In the dynamic effects guys, here you see the option of, here you see the option of dynamic light, and after that here is the notification. So the light flashes to remind you of the notification when the screen is locked. So just it, and guys, here you see it applied on all the application. If you want to turn off some particular app, so you just turn it off and you just customize all the things. So just go back and choose your color and it enabled. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.